This is Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, and today I will show how you can share the Wi-Fi network on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch settings, then enter the network and internet category. Onwards, go for the internet over here. Then connect your device to whatever Wi-Fi network you will want it to share with others, then tap on it. Onwards, tap at the share option at the network details page and the following share Wi-Fi section. Not only will it reveal the actual Wi-Fi password right over here, but also it will provide you with the very convenient QR code that you can further scan with any other device you have, like this Nokia, for instance, and the aforementioned device will be automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.